I hope this is not what I think it is. And then it's just...
What are we grabbing next? Well, you grab avocado.
That's why I heard him.
Babe, give me Tiffany. Tiffany's not home, dang it.
What kind of snake is it?
It's supposed to be. Hello, bee, go away. I don't know. That's why I want Tiffany to figure it out, but...
So that's what I heard then all day, him struggling. And the more he struggled, the more that he got caught and couldn't.
Yeah.
Well, that's what he gets for not having arms.
Well, that's just what happened.
Yeah, when you don't have arms.
I just thought, oh great, I have a lizard. I was like, but its tail has more something than a lizard. Wait, it's not a lizard.
I just think snakes are funny. It's like this is happening. Look at all those things that you get into when you just don't have arms.
Okay, baby, don't wrap on with this. Oh, his scales got so stuck. There,
Oh,
look,
there,
look at
he's
me.
almost.
One specific snake. That's all snakes. All snakes. All the snakes.
My brother I don't know if he still does, but he had a lot of snakes.
Don't do that, don't do that.
No, don't get stuck.
Can't read it all. He's like, where's the manga?
There is actually a reaction body, which I do have. If there's actually a manga version of the Bible, I would unironically read that.
Oh my gosh, his eye.
Ouch.
Don't twist, little baby, don't twist.
Is he gonna be okay? He's just a baby.
Okay.